All right, this is the finished roof. Just wanted to give the effect of you guys looking at it. 1x6 tongue and groove cedar. This is how it's gonna look underneath. We'll probably seal it. And then this is gonna be a porch slab here. And you can see the sun is out, so let me get under here. I got shade. This is gonna be the open sliding glass door. So I can just come walk out right here, sit down and chill. Pool gonna be right there. Ah, that feels good, man. But look at that. Look at the character of this ceiling. Wow, it's nice. And everything is uniform. The beams are cedar, the planks are cedar. And like I said, it's nice shade. Like pool's gonna be right there. Oh, it's gonna be great, man. It's great, great stuff, great stuff. Great stuff. And then we started this roof. This roof is completed. We passed inspection today with the engineering, which is the straps. When they come and make sure that we have the proper straps, that's what we call engineering, truss engineering. And then we have the sheeting, and they go and check and make sure we nailed it off properly. That's on top of the roof. So we're done here in terms of the inspection. So again, this is going to be a complete total gut. This is a complete total gut. We haven't started anything on the inside yet. Everything is on the outside, working from the top to the bottom because we want to make sure the house is watertight. And then once it is, then you can start coming in and doing whatever you need to do on the inside. Windows are going to probably be in next week. Then you're going to get a true summation as far as how this thing is going to be coming out. So there's always something to do.